Every AI company seems obsessed with one thing right now, building bigger models and chasing higher benchmark scores. But Tencent just released something that takes the opposite approach. Instead of asking, how can we build the biggest AI? They asked, how can we build an AI that people can actually use every day? Meet HY3, Tencent's newest open-source AI model that's designed for real-world work, not just impressive charts. So, is this the future of practical AI? Let's find out.
If you love discovering tools that make you think, wow, that was easy, you're in the right place. We test platforms, reveal hidden features, and teach you quick ways to boost your creativity, productivity, and your content game.
HY3 is the official evolution of HY3 Preview, and this isn't just another routine update. In only about 2 months, Tencent transformed the preview version into a significantly more capable, production-ready model by improving code generation, AI agent performance, and real-world usability. Instead of chasing benchmark rankings alone, Tencent focused on building an AI that's practical, efficient, and accessible for developers. Today, we'll look at what makes HY3 different, why it's attracting attention, and how it delivers flagship-level performance without requiring a flagship-sized mode. One of the most interesting things about HY3 is how it was developed. Instead of adding random features, Tencent focused on feedback from developers who tested the preview version. One of the biggest complaints was that AI agents sometimes failed to complete complex tasks consistently. Rather than ignoring that feedback, Tencent used it to improve the model's task execution and overall agent capabilities in the official release. That might sound like a small change, but it's actually a big deal. If you're using AI to automate research, coding, or multi-step workflows, reliability often matters more than getting a slightly higher benchmark score. Tencent's message is simple: build an AI that actually finishes the job. Now let's talk about the technology behind HY3. On paper, the model contains 295 billion parameters. That sounds enormous, but thanks to its mixture of experts, or MOE architecture, only about 21 billion parameters are active for each request. Think of it like a company with hundreds of specialists. Instead of asking everyone to work on every task, HY3 activates only the experts it needs. The result is impressive. Tencent says HY3 delivers performance comparable to flagship models that are 2 to 5 times larger, while keeping inference much more efficient. This approach also makes HY3 highly practical for real-world deployment. It supports reasoning, long context understanding, coding, and tool calling, giving developers powerful AI capabilities without the high operating costs typically associated with massive models. Another thing that separates HY3 from many AI models is its focus on developers and practical adoption. Tencent continues its strategy of making advanced AI more accessible by combining strong performance with competitive pricing, allowing businesses and developers to deploy powerful AI more cost-effectively. HY3 is also released under the Apache 2.0 open-source license, meaning developers around the world can freely use, modify, and commercially deploy the model in their own applications. Rather than building a closed ecosystem, Tencent is encouraging an open developer community where more people can innovate and build with AI. HY3 isn't trying to win attention simply by being the biggest model available. Instead, Tencent is focusing on something many developers care about even more: practical performance, efficient deployment, and open accessibility. With flagship-level performance from a much more efficient architecture, rapid improvements since the preview release, and an Apache 2.0 open-source license, HY3 represents an important step forward for Tencent's AI ecosystem. And with Tencent already signaling that even larger and more capable models are on the way, HY3 may only be the beginning. What do you think? Would you rather have the biggest AI model or one that delivers excellent real-world performance at a much lower cost? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI updates, and I'll see you in the next one.